G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video we have at Rory's place, checking out his awesome collection. Just letting you guys know that Rory does have these permits to keep these animals, so don't go off buying these animals because it's illegal unless you have these permits. He has a mobile zoo, so he's allowed to do it. Also, he does a YouTube channel and Instagram, so go and check his stuff out. He's a pretty awesome dude. So these guys are under all licensed and he does have these permits. So thank you Rory and Daniel for allowing me to come along and check out this awesome place. So he does have a crocodile obviously, and monitors, snakes. So these guys are all licensed. Also there will be like a feeding segment throughout the video, just letting you guys know. So if you're a bit squeamish, then don't watch it, just skip ahead until there's no blood or gore or anything. So just so you know, these animals are well looked after. He's doing a good job. So yeah, that's what I'll let you guys know. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in another video.
Oh, that's good. What she wants to go on, mate?
You're taller.
Yep.
Oh well.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, right in the face.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, I got that.
Good. You got that.
Yeah, right across my teeth as well.
That's a good blooper one then.
That's a good one. You got to send me that
Got a
one.
bit of a scratch there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight down your throat.
So we might leave it at that, I think.
Yeah, I think he's had enough for today.
Yeah.